Not there. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Izzy Bit.
Okay.
When I come back on top of the night show, we see they discuss things when we say concern man and woman matter, marriage matter, sexual satisfaction, basically. Now to talk about. And Pastor Iheanyi here onto the matter. Our phone numbers there on top of TV. Make you begin to call us. Make we discuss on
they
top.
They see us from Turkey.
Yeah.
Somebody they watch us.
Okay, now for
from
internet.
Turkey.
Internet.
No, that is
not be Turkey.
Turkey. That is with somebody who begin watch from France.
Anyway, continue. Continue.
Okay.
Hey, Pastor, you will not tell you say easy go soon marry.
Continue.
Me. You know the gist.
Time not there.
Okay, easy. I will come back to you. Make I just. All right. So, the last caller before we go break talk say why walk?
Why be say
yes,
walk plenty?
Why walk plenty? Because now woman, she they walk to take care of you. You self walk small to take care of them. Because one of the things that we don't discover be say, it's not very easy for woman to tell man about his own sexual needs. And sometimes they feel, and the issue be say, in they feel say the man go vex, or the man not go interpret it well.
Or the man feel say, you too sabi.
Yes, or you too know. You know, but women, when they listen, that not the whole idea of marriage. So that both of them go feed know una self, una go feed talk. As the man they feel say now work, the wife they give and so. For me, I suppose encouragement to understand say now good thing. Say now you your wife they tell.
Say not they tell another person.
Not be in mama
friend.
or in sister or in your own sister. When they tell, and then your sister come they gist when she come visit. Say you go.
And that's come they looking like
say you go try you. Say you have to work harder.
Lazarus, good evening.
Hello.
Lazarus, good evening.
Lazarus,
I'm hearing you.
Hey, I beg, what do you get to talk about for this program? You get question to ask Pastor Iheanyi.
Hello,
okay.
Nedu.
Would they hear you?
Hello, Nedu.
All right, I beg, call us back. Your TV they too loud. May you call us back, Lazarus.
You hear me?
Okay. Continue, Pastor.
Yeah, so when the woman know the fee ask, we go just paint one small scenario where most women go feel relate to. He come back from work, he bath, listen to news, chop, enter room, wife come, he shift near him, turn him over, then do. He finish, he lie down, immediately he jump down, run enter bedroom, come out. He don't come out with him boxer, he don't wear pajamas, he don't rub her shoulder small, he don't sleep.
The woman go just dey there.
Woman will come sit down. Now there her night just starts. You just sit down, they think, say, but this thing now for two people.
Sorry to cut you there. Get Miss Ola, good evening.
Now for two people.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Good evening. You don't marry?
Yes, I'm married.
Okay.
Which question you get to ask Pastor Iheanyi this evening?
I would like just to contribute to what the pastor is saying.
Okay,
yes,
please.
You know, why is it that when you don't ask for sex, your husband will not respond?
When you don't get it.
When you not ask.
When you don't demand for the sex. When you not demand.
Okay. Well, I hear you. I hear you. It happen.
Maybe she'd expect maybe the husband be the person to make the move.
And the truth be say, they very possible. See, then get some people, some men, when no they crazy about sex, like society think. Not be everybody.
Not be everybody.
They breathe, one die on top of the matter. So for in mind, once in a blue moon.
And if you say for a man, when you ask, now he say okay because I do one for you.
Yes.
Oh yeah, make I do one for you.
So to answer your question, even when he never talk sex, help him know your own sequence. If not 5 days, 2 days, 1 day, no leave him. Say now there resent, now there bitterness go enter.
Zara from Port Harcourt.
Okay.
Zara,
you need to find a way.
Yes, tell him. Say
Zara, good evening.
Guy, my program.
Zara, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. You don't marry.
Yes, I don't mind.
Okay. Now which question you get to ask Pastor?
No question, but I like pastor program. Nobody else pastor will fit that can sing.
You do it in.
I like pastor program. Nobody else pastor will fit that can sing.
Okay, no other pastor go fit tell you that kind of thing. Thank you.
No, please.
Now the work to make sure say your marriage, everybody marriage, they very, very strong. So that we will get better society
So
for
that if you
Nigeria.
come from outside, you feel the whistle.
Thank you, Sarah.
All right.
Continue. Sarah, thank you.
Just quickly to
See, continue.
yes, on this thing. Everybody where get hurt where they walk, they think about this subject. But because of our societal, religious orientation,
then everybody now
we don't know saying a part of our life. The way, how come they're very easy to talk about money for church, and not they easy to talk about sex for church?
Oh.
You know, it just means say we don't be selective about our education.
Some people go use the small.
You know, we don't be very selective. It's easier to tell easy say go blow than to tell easy say watch your sexual behavior. It's as important as your purse. Your sexual life they as important as your financial life because everything makes you a balanced person. See, if sex they sweet for house, husband, wife, your game go tight for office. Go tight for business. Go tight. Because nothing, no shakement. Everything, the program, they run. The woman we talk say, she don't know why the husband know they fit. Now, if he be say him not to like sex like you do, and he know me say the bad thing, but you, no keep quiet about her. No let the thing turn war. If after 3 days,
small
so before you know you don't double to line. When you come ready, you go mark him. So you don't, if you near me.
Okay, sorry, from Port Harcourt, good evening. Teresa. Terry?
Hello.
Good evening, my sister.
I can hear you.
You don't marry?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now which question you get to ask Pastor?
Okay. Hello, I can hear you. My question is that when the man don't reach the climax and the woman never reach, what will happen?
Okay. All right, hang up, now we'll talk that one. Okay, so most times, now the thing when they happen with this, when the man don't climax, program don't end though. For man, it don't end. Now why I always advise say, if you know your program span, no past 3 minutes.
You know, say okay, I know they say past 1 minute.
Once time don't they reach, help yourself, help your wife. Listen, people they hear me. Now for husband and now for wife. Your wife no be stranger. If your wife no get no climax, now you go suffer them later because it they pain them, it they frustrated. So it not go even sweet for you
it
on
be
the
like
long
you,
run.
The man when never reach the promised land.
Yes, you know how you go be you.
You
know, so when man don't come and woman never come, and now in husband and now in wife, now the men that they talk to now your job to help that boss reach bus stop.
They go.
You go day part. See now your wife will not be stranger.
Sorry. Somebody from Port Harcourt. Good evening, Nkechi. Hello, Nkechi. Okay, from Port Harcourt again. Good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
Fine. Good evening.
You don't marry?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now which question you get to ask Pastor Christian?
The question I get to, I don't really get question to ask. I want to contribute.
Okay.
We dey hear you.
Okay. So what I want to contribute now is here. When I did date my woman.
Yes.
When she said I don't get serious about the matter.
Yes.
So she can't ask me one day. She say, baby, do you know there's something I don't like about you? I said, what? Then she tell me, say, she don't like the foreplay, as in our foreplay before sex.
Okay.
So I say, I know they allow her enjoy sex. I suppose make her feel okay, make her come before I go on with her.
Yes.
So after then, the next time we met, she was so happy because the way I massaged her, I made her happy. So this show now is making me remember what happened then. So I'm happy.
Okay, fantastic.
You listen.
Thank you very much. Well, Christian from Port Harcourt, this one, it goes to show those of una wey never marry when they watch the show, make una dey learn so that when una marry, una go know things una go do to make sure so una marriage dey very strong. Somebody from Kaduna, good evening. Ismaila.
Nedu, how you doing now?
My brother, I do. How your ministry?
Yeah, I did fine.
You don't marry?
I never married.
Okay, which question you get to ask?
No be question my own, just to add a recommendation.
Okay.
Okay.
Recommendation.
Recommend.
You know, most of these things, but our pastors, our imams, don't really talk about it.
Yes.
So actually, it's a very nice topic. It's a very nice idea for our imams and for our pastors to be, you know, kind of, they tell our people the thing we they're supposed to do as husband and wife. You know, that kind of thing, it makes sense to say if you do things,
you think they fit do this kind of thing where
or maybe religion can interfere for the matter. Now, so you go know say, okay, this thing my way they do my for my religion, it could make I do.
Okay. All right, Ismaila, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you.
All right, so
This your man from Calabar. From Aba, sorry. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
From a calling from Aba.
okay.
No first.
You don't marry?
Yeah, I don't marry you.
Okay, now which question you get to ask?
See, the program one they do and the Teresa what I so like it too. But the thing we say, I want to ask for the program. Say, why if you and your husband go there for bed, small time go tell you say you don't tire. And you say with the woman you never satisfy. Waiting be the cause.
Okay, make Pastor answer him now. Just hold on, Pastor go answer him now. Thank you, Fama.
You know, say tiredness no be spiritual thing.
Tiredness
Tiredness
not be spiritual thing, na physical thing.
Na physical thing. If you don't tire,
you don't tire.
You don't tire. But you know me say make that one discourage you because in talk saying don't tire. No mean say program no even fit continue.
Yes.
Without in physical input. You know say this thing na two-way traffic. It get as program go reach, woman go serve, go anchor, reach one. If the man don't tire. In tiredness, no make tired no discourage you. As long as him they willing. If he tire, make it tire. You do your own. As he tire for where in day, enjoy yourself. Leave the as he tire finish. When you don't reach, hug him, sleep. Say
give her
water, then follow and leave her
I go come to tell you, but I never reach.
It's okay.
He will say,
say you are tired.
Don't
say
worry.
when you strong.
Don't worry.
So the second dimension.
JJ from sorry. JJ. JJ.
It's not great.
JJ. Continue.
no day.
Continue.
Okay. So please, no let's in tiredness. See, if in tiredness, no, if anger and physical aggression no dey inside in tiredness. Tell and say as a tire reach. Say you. Yeah, say you know. Yeah, say you know how the program feel run, making just no move. Make you go just the run program for him. And when you reach, you go tell and say, my tired husband, thank you. Then you just like that.
Who the best for chicken break for you make we enter market. Someone come back, we will continue on top.
But they are your life.
Sexual satisfaction.